Hello all, my name is Myles Nobles and today I will be presenting to you on the SuperTalker Progressive Communicator device. The SuperTalker Progressive Communicator device is a lightweight mid-tech augmentative and alternative communicator device, also known as AAC communication device. The features of this device consist of 8 recording levels, 8 overlays, 16 minutes of recording time, 1 to 8 grid formats, key guards for these grid formats, step ahead jack for single switch sequential message access, 2 toy appliance output jacks, volume control with lock-out features, built-in key guard storage, mounting capability, and the use of 4 AA batteries that are not included. This device allows individuals who are nonverbal and autistic to communicate more effectively in their natural environments. The 4 functions for consumers. The first function of consumer is the speech generating device. Individuals who use this device are usually those who are nonverbal and autistic, and this device helps them communicate effectively and more efficiently and independently on their own in their natural environments. Number 2 is the board maker overlay software. This device provides a board maker overlay software program that helps users create their customized overlays using different illustrations and pictures. Number 3 is the 8 recording levels. This feature is very convenient for consumers because instead of having to record every time they change their overlay depending on the environment, users can set recordings of each overlay they created up to 8 levels. The 4th is the grid formats. There are 4 grid formats. There's the 1 picture, the 2 picture, the 4 picture, and the 8 picture. The 1 and 2 picture are usually for the beginner communicators, and the 4 to 8 are for the more advanced communicators. These grid formats allow users to partake in social scripting, conversational turn-taking, and peer interaction. For the process and description of operation, make sure to always use and to insert 4 AA batteries into the device, to put your overlay on the device as well as the grid, to always make sure to have the grid level in the recording on the same level. To record a message, press the record button to record the message, then press the desired message key to begin record messaging when you hear a beeping sound. Release the message location once you're done recording the message. When you're done recording all messages, release the record button. Instructions are also included on the back of the device just in case you don't have the manual at your disposal. The special features include the step ahead jack option where the user can plug in or press the button and select level of messages they want to use. That way, instead of switching levels and pressing messages. The switch input option, there are 8 input options that can be used at the same time to play individual messages, or a single switch to step through all messages sequentially. The toy application jack is where you can plug in a switch adapted toy which will activate and play the length of the message you selected. So for my pros and cons. For my first pro, the grid format is a sensory ability function. Users have the option to communicate with 4 different grid formats. The picture grid formats consist of the 1, 2, 4, and 8 pictures. A con of this is the individual might be visually impaired and might have difficulty using the 4 to 8 grid picture format and picking and choosing the correct picture they want to select for their message because they have difficulty seeing. The second pro is the sound quality with the sensory ability function. One of the great features of this device is the sound quality. A con of this is the user might be in a noisy environment and the person they're trying to talk to or communicate with are having difficulty because of the environment they're in. My next pro is the level of messages, which is a pragmatic function factor. Users have 8 different levels to set up daily language that users may use created by their overlays. This feature is very convenient for consumers because instead of recording every time, they can just store their recordings on 8 different levels. A con of this is the individual might not have the primary pragmatic skills to utilize this device to its full potential. My last pro is the computer access. Individuals use the computer to use their Communicator overlay software program to customize their device independently to use in their natural environments. A con of this would be that the individual is not proficient in using computers and they have difficulty creating their overlays, and they might have to depend on someone else to create them for them. Thank you for listening. That is my presentation.